Right, I did say I'd come back and show you this ombre, which is the pink one. And I've got my thread. It's the rose pink. Let me find my needle. That one will do. And I'm going to use our new bling. Look. It's just arrived. Like I say, we've got it in the blue and in the pink and the pearl. So, I'm just going to do my standard favourite flower. You know me. You can just make them, oh God, come on. You can make them look awesome. But I need to take out. So I'm going to do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 centimetres. I need to take out the wire. Carefully, of course. Now this is quite a thick wire, so we don't waste this one. We can keep that. What I do is I wrap it around my fingers. Do that and give it a twist and it's fine. Right, we burnish the ends. Like that. I'm gonna, now, it doesn't really matter, but I prefer it if the outer edge was the darker colour. So I'm going to start on the outer edge. And hopefully the 3 petals will come out, 3 of them out of the 5 will come out darker. There we go. I don't think I did that right, did I? I didn't. See, I'm not thinking about what I'm doing because my mind is elsewhere. See? Totally elsewhere. Just looking, I'm going, what the bloody hell are you doing, Fee? I don't know. I get worse. I know I do. That way, Fee. Come on. I probably was doing it right and I'm just thinking I've done it wrong. Have you ever done that? I have. There again, that's me. Right, now turn it over. I think I turned it over twice, didn't I? Bloody hell. Losing it. I bet you sat there. How many have you noticed? Tell me if you noticed. I just went off. Honest to God. 1, 2, 3, 4, fine. Or did you think it were a new flower? Oh, I don't know. I'm losing it. Be honest, did you think it was a new flower? Or did you think or the same flower with a twist? Or did you just go, what the hell is she doing? There you go. I'm tired. I really am. We need another break. I've said to him, because we're only having, you know, like 3 days. When we go next time, we're going down the Norfolk Broad sort of thing. And I can't wait to go down there because it's gorgeous down there. Absolutely gorgeous. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I love it. We both do, actually. I thought I was going to cut that. I didn't waste that much. Ray's been to the doctors. He managed to get an appointment straight away. Bloody men, they get the appointments. Women can't get one. And they think he started with angina. Would you believe? So he needs to try and chill. Because he's busier now than what he was when he was in work. Before he retired. Even my sister, my eldest sister. Well, my 2 eldest sisters. They've both said the same thing, that they're busier now than they ever were. It's just crazy. I mean, I'll be doing this when I retire. Although I took early retirement, I'll be doing this when I retire. So it won't be any different for me, will it? I won't feel like I'm retired because I'm still doing this. That's going to be crazy, isn't it? Beautiful. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to do it like that. I like that. Isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty, pretty. Yeah. Right, I'm going to do some single ones because I want to do that on the back. You know, put another layer underneath. So let's just do some single ones. And I'll do 5. If I did them again, it would only end up the same size. But doing them single, I can put them where I want them. And then back them. So we don't keep those bits there too small. But don't leave them lying about. Because if they get on your feet, they hurt. Especially if you walk about like me. With nothing on your feet. I like my feet to be free. Or in other words, I like to feel what's under my feet. It's warm again today. Are we finally having that little bit of a heat wave they said we were going to have last week? Oh, should have had it this week, shouldn't we? Okie dokie. Now, I'm not going to join it like that. I don't want one like that. I want it flattish like I did yesterday. Let me get my little scissors. Okay, and then I'm just going to dab a little glue on there like that. And then I want those, I'm going to make sure that this and each one is put in between where it's got dipped in like that for each one. That's it. Perfect. Let me just get some more thread. And like I said, this is going to be the little filler. Like that. So, yeah, that's fine. I'm happy with that. It's a better size flower, you see. Yeah, and just give that a little bit there, a little bit there. Yeah, happy with that. They're pretty. Now, can we enhance that any more? A little bit. Let's see. We can do green leaf. Why not? Let me have a look. I'm going to use that one for the leaf. We'll do that much. And you've got to have two. You can't just put one leaf on. No way. Again, this is the taffeta wired. Beautiful trim ribbon, this one. Really nice quality as well. So I'm going to need my tweezers for this. I have shown you this before. I've done this one, just say 10 centimetres. You fold it in half. Then you need to put your tweezers at an angle. Like that. Snip it. Burnish it and press it. See, and you get that. So again, it's like, because it's taffeta, it can go out of shape. You have to be careful with it. Snip, burnish it down like that. And then what you do, where's my blooming, need green thread now, but you know what, I'm just going to use this one, don't matter. You ain't going to see it. Okay. Don't need those. I need that one, don't need that one. Oh dear. So, what I'm going to do is well, I don't need to burnish them yet. Just give that a tacking stitch. Go up to the edge. Like that. go along the edge on the inside, the smallest V, not the largest. Okay, and then just pull that tight. Not too tight, but tight enough to get the leaf shape. You can see the leaf shape, you've done it right. And then we just do that. We can burnish that off now. Do it all at once. Doesn't matter if that's got a fold in it. So then we pop that. Oops. I'm going to move mine up a little bit because I want to be able to see mine. That's why I made it, obviously. So again, your little tacking stitch along the edge. See how you got the arrow pointing down towards you? And go across the end. The smallest V. And then to the end again. And then we pull that. Burnish all of that. And then spread that out. And then again, just pop it near to the other one. See, isn't that pretty? They're gorgeous. And then we need a little bit of felt, a bigger piece of felt on this one because it's a flat rose. There we are, and we just do that, and that can be put onto a hair clip, whatever you want to do with it. Isn't that beautiful? There, another pretty one. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Speak to you all soon. I'll be back with some more.